Welcome back to the AssetLoom onboarding series. Once your assets are set up, the next step is to manage their operational activities. With AssetLoom, you can track maintenance records, prevent booking conflicts, and verify asset possession. When any of your assets are transitioned to a maintenance-related status that has the Create Maintenance rule in the status workflow settings, they will be added to the asset maintenance list. This list helps you track maintenance details such as start and end dates, cost, and other related information. AssetLoom also lets you request bookings for assets. This allows you to reserve the assets with a specific timeline in advance of use. Then you can avoid overlapping requests when multiple users need the same asset. After your team has created booking requests, you can review and manage them in the reservations section. As an admin, you can view the request details, then choose to approve or decline that asset booking. Once a booking request is approved or the asset is checked out, you can manage the currently assigned assets in asset loans. Besides asset information, you can check which assets are direct loans, meaning they were checked out without a booking request, and which are booking loans, meaning they came from approved booking reservations. When assets are assigned to users, you can verify whether the users still have possession of those assets and their conditions through custody verification. As an admin, you can create a custody verification request and ask users to confirm whether they still have the asset that was assigned to them. And that's all the basics you need to know for the asset operations. With AssetLoom, you can manage every asset activity from one centralized platform.